Uncover your most valuable customers with Tableau, and let's dive into how to isolate your paying user data for targeted analysis. First, drag the dimension that represents your customer identifier onto the rows shelf and your measure, like purchase amount, onto the columns shelf to visualize purchase activity. Now, create a calculated field using an if statement to categorize users as paying or non-paying based on a defined purchase threshold, say greater than 0. Drag this calculated field onto the color shelf to visually segment paying users from non-paying users in your visualization. To create a dynamic set, right-click on your customer dimension and choose Create, then Set. Switch to the Condition tab and define a condition based on the sum of purchases to include only paying users by specifying your calculation field created earlier or a fixed value. Finally, drag the newly created set onto the filter shelf to isolate and analyze only your paying customer data, which will give you insights into this segment.